Hello and welcome to my yoga and trekking journey to India. The trek is to the Gomukh glacier, which is the source of the river Ganga, and it's quite a sacred journey for the Hindus. We go up to about 4,000 meters, a 3-day trek, so follow me up the mountains. Here we are at New Delhi station. It's 5:30 in the morning and we're catching the Shatabdi Express to Haridwar. It's about a 6-hour journey by train to Haridwar. 6 hours later, we arrive at Haridwar station. We are now ready to make our way up to Rishikesh. So we catch a minibus and we make our way up the mountains where we will be spending 2 nights. We cross over the river Ganga and pass through Haridwar town to go up to Rishikesh, and that's the beautiful statue of Lord Shiva that you see on the side of the river Ganga. As we wind our way up the hills, we start to be amazed by the natural beauty all around us. We finally arrive at Rainforest Lodge. It is tucked away on the side of this hill, down a winding path, situated right on the banks of the Ganga. So we spend the rest of the day just unpacking and settling in to our beautiful surroundings.